Hello, we're in Holyoke, Massachusetts. We're in front of Germania Mill number 2. The Germania Mill 1 is now gone, but there's remnants, something replaced it. But the mill number 2 is still here. And look at a wonderful fact. The train tracks are right in front of it. Imagine how easy it was to bring out anything you had right onto the trains. In fact, the 2 bays are up here still right in front of it. And they still leave some trains here. They come in with the trains. One company comes in once a week, and the other train line comes in at least once a week. So they still are used. Now, this Germania number 2 is not heavily used at this point, but I do see that some storage is taking place because I see employees on the back side of it very often. Now, where was Germania Mill number 1? Easy. It was in this storage building right across the street. It became administration. It replaced a very large Germania Mill number 1. All right, so there's still 2 buildings, and you can actually see addition off of Germania 2 in the distance between the 2. Now, what did this mill ever make? Well, if you say its full name, it was the Germania Woolen Mill, and it was started by 2 brothers from Germany, and that's why it's called Germania. And their names were August Strasberg and Hermann Strasberg. And they made wool products, coats, suits, cloaks, different kinds of yarn, some to manufacture, some to individual use, and all kinds of different clothes, specialty clothes, beaver and doe skins. And they did this from 1865 until I think about 1932, when they sold out to the Livingston Worsted Mill, who made the same thing. In fact, the Livingston Worsted Mill was just a parent company of Germania by the end from about 1900, based in Warwick, Rhode Island, and they just bought out their own company, pretty much, and they renamed it. So Germania actually still existed from 1865 into the late 1950s, and then it had to shut down because of so much competition. Now, what power are they using? The end of the first level canal is actually pretty far away. It's over by that building. And then the second level canal's end is right here. Okay, there's still a little brick building over there for some reason. And then the third level canal is right underneath those highway pillars. So, the first level canal is 300 yards away. The second level canal is 40 yards away. The third level canal is 50 yards away. Right? And Germania Mill was right here. So, what they did, they took the water at the end of the second level canal, put it in a tunnel below this one and below the mill number 2. And then they had waste tunnels bringing the water back out, and it would go out this way. And there were other mills that did the same. There were 5 mills at this corner who took their water in by longer tunnels than usual and distributed below their mills and tunnels and made hydro-mechanical energy. And they had to because Germania 1 was here in 1865, no electricity yet. So this was a very, very active place with another wool mill over here, another paper mill over there, an envelope company over there, and General Electric coming here over there, Far Pack gonna have one of their smaller mills here. They were all over the place, and a lot of things were here. So this was a very active area, and for that, I often bring groups out here. There's actually even a place where electricity is still generated hydroelectrically by Holyoke. Okay, so what we're going to do is give you one more swing around to give you a panoramic view. So I know it's not beautiful, but it's very utilitarian location. Lots of power is being generated here at one time, and on a small level it's still useful. Thank you.